How to use an ice pack. You use an ice pack if you have something that has a soft tissue injury that is swollen and you want to reduce the swelling. Ice is really good at reducing pain and reducing swelling. So you can apply a wrapped ice pack. Always wrap it, because an ice pack on its own can actually cause ice burns if it's straight onto the skin. So wrap that ice pack and you apply it to the injured area, and you hold it or apply it in place for 10 minutes, and then you take it off, you rub the area, and then you can reapply it again. Put the ice pack onto the injury rather than the injury, the leg or whatever it is, resting on the ice pack, because obviously that will make the ice sort of even colder against you and can make it more likely that you could get an ice burn. When you're using one of these Cool Pack instant devices, lots of other brands available, you squeeze them and activate it, and that goes cold very quickly, but you still need to wrap it. If you haven't got a Cool Pack, frozen peas or anything from your freezer will do the job perfectly well, but please wrap it before you apply it. You are cooling it to reduce the swelling, and once you're ready to start mobilizing it again, once the swelling has gone down, then you can start using warmth. But you always use ice packs to reduce swelling and allow the injury to recover.
Thank you for listening. If you found this helpful, please share with others. We have a wealth of free resources on our websites, www.firstaidforlife.org.uk and onlinefirstaid.com. You can also subscribe to our channel.